I'm not in the mood of preaching. Kodwa ngiyafisa ngokusizwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi lento ngiyibeke in a way of teaching. Amen. Angithi le conference eyamakholwa. Manje kamakholwa washunyayezwa. Lento yenza ukuthi singakhuli ngoba siphila ngeentshumayelo. He gave some to be apostles, prophets, evangelists, teachers and pastors. Ipurpose iti for the equipping of the saints. So leli gama equipping liphethe ukupresenta kwe doctrine not intshumayelo. Now besindiswa about 3,000 befika kwi local church yase Jerusalem bakuthiwa they devoted themselves to the apostles' doctrine, not sermons, not preachings. They base beyitholile intshumayelo ngoPeter phela. uPeter wayeseshumayelile waphela umsebenzi wentshumayelo. Lithi iBhayibheli bahlabeke enhlizweni zabo. They gladly receive the word in a way of preaching. So mase befika kwi local church kuthiwa they devoted lapho esifike silahleke khona ke thina sifuna ukuhamba ngama sermons one way. Sifuna ukuhlala siwaphansi, sifuna abashumayela abayikhomba phansi naphezulu abaphatha amathawula namazwi ahoshozelayo. Sifuna leyo nto nje. Lalelani bathandekayo. There is no growth we preaching a sermon. I-preaching is good ukukufaka ensindisweni. Kodwa it's not good ukugxilisa ensindisweni. Ungangena kodwa ungagxili. So even imandate uJesu ayinikeze abathunywa ini bathandekayo. Ngoba uMatthew 28 verse 19 uJesu uaddressa abapostoli fivefold ministry. Uthi go therefore and make disciples. Don't make converts. Make disciples. So preaching izala ama converts. Kodwa discipleship izala abafundi. Lalelani. And sizoyibhuda isizini of umnyango ovuliwe. If sizo remaina kwi level of being converts. uNkulunkulu mayesebenza akasebenzi ngabaguquki. Sebenza ngabafundi abaye ba graduate bangena kwi level of being servants and ministers. So Matthew 28 verse 19 to 20, Jesus is giving a mandate here fivefold ministry. It is a fivefold ministry that is responsible to disciple. Then verse 20, teaching them to observe all that I've commanded you. Don't teach them anything. Ibandla linesyllabus. Nibafundise ukugcina konke enginiyale ngakho, not anything. So when you address the church, awuthathi into ngoba uyizwa imnandi uyilalela ku TBN buthi engathi ngayifundisa ke le bandleni. No, we teach the church izinto esingama commands kaJesu. And these commands kaJesu zibizwa ngeapostles doctrine. Teaching them to observe. Don't teach them to be informed, but to observe. So when I teach believers in the church, I'm not in a marathon of teachings. Have they observed the subject? Because teaching them to observe. So when I teach about it, doctrine, I must teach about it up until it manifests, up until they observe it. Teaching them to observe all that I've commanded you. when I teach about spiritual gift, I must teach ngama gift kamoya as I operate, teaching them to observe all that I've commanded you. Now, uJesu maakha mayenza nabathandekayo akakho umjondolo into ezobe no akakho umjondolo. So it is a duty, a role of fivefold ministry, Matthew 28 verse 19 to 20. And ibengazuthi uyayeqa indaba ye-evangelism mayethi go and make disciples. Actually, verse 19 and 20 uphethe discipleship inama dimensions awu-3. Number 1, iphethe ukuvangelwa kwabantu bethatha uJesu. 2, iphethe ukudisciplisha kwabo after salvation. 3, iphethe ukuasharishwa kwabo to their gift and ministries to become servants. So ibandla lendawo inibathandekayo kufanele ukuthi libe umaphekethulula i-local church. Bayangena through salvation, mase bengenile bayadisciplishwa ukuze bangahlali bengama-spectators, bangahlali bebuka umfundisi, ngoba ibandla elingumzimba omalunga alo a-operate liyasinda. So, your discipleship that prepares you to become a minister. To be a minister, akusho ukuba ngumfundisi. Ngoba futhi uyaba ngumfundisi kodwa futhi ube ungekho capable to minister. Actually, ubufundisi is just a status. And uJesu akekho kwibusiness yokuba befundisi. uJesu kwibusiness ka Ephesians 4:11. Uyabona ungaba umfundisi kodwa ungabi kuleya category ka Ephesians 4:11. Ungatholakali khona. Niyeza kodwa bathandikayo. Very important. Ibandla alakhiwa ngobushumayeli. Ngokuba yi-preacher. Ngoba uma uJesu ethi ngizolakha ulakha yena through these 5 ministries as the extension yakhe, ngoba Jesus was an apostle, Jesus was a prophet, Jesus was a teacher, was a pastor. So mangabe nyunga lithi nguye lo futhi wathi mayinyunga waphinde wenza abanye ngamagama wa release these 5 offices. Njengoba ubona uElijah mangabe nyunga ekade elandelo uElisha, ngiyenza kwi subject yosuku futhi ngeke ngihlale isikhathi esibathandikayo. I'm coming. Elijah enyuka, there was this young man by the name of Elisha. Ifuna umoya obuElijah ukuthi udablishwe kuyena. Now uthi Elijah, uma ungibonile ngithatha uzoyithola lento oyifunayo. Ngamanye amagama qala manje ukukhonza kwakho akube nefocus. Tema ithathu Elijah wayirelease imantle, a prophetic mantle. Wayithatha umfana, before ayithatha wagumula igqokile. Ngoba inkinga ukuthi ungambathi awukwazi kwembatha wembethe. Siyagumula before sembathe. Afanta hlubule zakhe athathe le yehlayo. Yezwakala, it was a prophetic mantle eyehla nje i1 yehla kumfana uElisha. Ake sithi ngegama lika Jesu, ake sithi ngegama lika Jesu. Wayithatha umfana, uthema ngabe ithatha waqala wasebenza ngayo. The first miracle ayenzile, amadodana abaprofeti mangabe bukele observer athi the spirit of Elijah is upon Elisha. Now noma ehambile uElijah kodwa ngemenhle. Usele ngemenhle. Jesu uhambile kodwa usebandleni ngamamenkliza awu-5. Ngoba ayi-extension, uthengiso lakha, yona ndlela lakha ngayo ke leyo. Ulakha ngalama ministries ngoba uthema ngabenyuka naye warelease wenza abanye abapostoli, abaprofethi kanjalo kanjalo for the purpose of equipping the saints. Njengoba amadodana abaprofethi abone umoya ka-Elijah phezu kwa-Elisha, fanele kube njalo abantu abazikhonzi kaKristu. They must carry the spirit of Jesus. Amen. Ngiyezwakala bathandekayo? The spirit of Jesus.